Underside white to off-white. Circular shape. Stalk is multi-branch. This distinctive species grows at base of living hardwoods, especially oaks and maples. Young specimens are highly prized. This is an oak tree.
It's a maple, I think.
It's a maple? I think so.
Yeah, but that's
hen.
curious that it would come out so early, yeah?
Hmm.
Can we get
Yeah,
it?
we should get that one, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's quite tasty.
Yeah, highly prized.
Maitake, yeah.
Get the whole thing.
At least a tasty part, right? It's for fish. You want to pick it?
Quite big.
You want to pick it?
Yeah, you can pick it. It's good.
Done?
Yep. The tree is humongous. What is it?
Big one. Oh, you almost stuck the whole thing.
Oh, it's a maple tree.